Hi, thanks so much for stopping by. Today I am bringing you some cleaning motivation to kick off your week. I love to take Sundays and really get my house in order. That way I can start fresh on Monday and just start the week off being productive. And it just really brings my stress level way down. I don't know if any of you are that way. But I hope that today's video gives you some motivation. I'll be sharing some tips and cleaning products that I use. And if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you, and let's begin. Today was a really cloudy, snowy day. It was perfect for cleaning. So that is just what I did. And in today's video, I'm focusing on just my kitchen and my family room. I'm going to share with you what I do to really give these areas a thorough cleaning to start the week. So I always begin with my dishes for some reason, probably because it's like the first dirty thing I typically see in my kitchen. But today I was really on top of my dishwashing game, and I really only had a couple dishes that were dirty. So I'm gonna start with putting away the clean dishes. And I love to kind of lay them out on the countertops and organize them before putting them away in their appropriate cupboards. And the dishwashing detergent that I use is the Kroger brand dishwasher pods. I find that they are a lot more affordable than the brand name, and I feel like they work just as well. So once I have completed the dishes, I'm going to move on to cleaning my countertops, and I love this Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner in the scent Snowdrop. This is one that I bought over the holidays. It is one of their holiday scents, and it just has such a nice clean scent. I ended up buying a couple bottles of it because I loved it so much, and I didn't want, just in case it was discontinued, I wanted to make sure I had some on hand. So that is a great scent, but I would love to hear from you guys. If you have a favorite cleaning product that you use, leave a comment down below and let me know. The best way to keep your stovetop clean is to clean up any food spills, food messes the minute they happen. Speaking for myself, whenever I cook, I always make sure that I clean my stovetop directly after cooking. That way I don't have food messes that have caked on there. If you put it off, we all know they will just be that much harder to clean. So do yourself a favor and clean those messes up the minute they happen. That way you'll just simply it'll be just a matter of maintenance cleaning, and you can just wipe your stovetop just as quickly as you wipe your countertops. And I love these microfiber cloths that I ordered years ago from Amazon. They have held up so well, and I use them for so many things, from cleaning the countertops, windows, mirrors, and they are just really great cloths. So I will have them linked down below if any of you are interested. One of my favorite products for cleaning wood surfaces is the Method brand Wood for Good Cleaner. This product is wonderful. I rave about this all the time. But I love not only how it smells, it has like a nice almond scent to it, but it just cleans so well. It leaves no film on the surface, and it's very lightweight. Just a great product overall. To clean my sink, I'm using Dawn dish soap, and I'm going to use a sponge to really give the sink a good scrub, and I'll let that sit for a bit before rinsing it. And just a tip for cleaning your garbage disposal: whenever it has kind of that stinky smell that sometimes can develop from trapped food, I like to put ice, about a tablespoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of bleach, and I'll put that all down in the disposal and run it without any water until the disposal stops grinding, and it really does a good job of loosening up that food and getting rid of any stinky odors. So once my sink is all nice and clean, I'm going to move on to cleaning my stainless steel appliances and giving them a good polishing. I love using the Wayman's stainless steel cleaner. This is my absolute favorite cleaner for stainless steel. It does a great job of really polishing it and getting rid of those fingerprints and making it look shiny and really looks new again. Once I finish cleaning the appliances, I'm going to move on to vacuuming my kitchen floors. And if you're new to my channel, we have two dogs, two Cavalier King Charles Spaniels, and they of course rule the household, but they are terrible shedders. Their fur is all over the floors if I don't stay on top of it. So vacuuming is a daily routine in my household, especially with these dark floors, which everything shows up on these dark floors. So I have to rave about my vacuum. I have had this vacuum for, I want to say, 6 years. It's been a while and it still has really great suction to this day. So I have to really rave about it. It's called the Shark Rotator. If anyone's interested, if I can find a link for one, I'll link it down below, but it really is a great vacuum if you're in the market for one. So now I'm going to move on to mopping my floors, and I'm using my O-Cedar mop. I love this spin mop. You can remove the mop head and wash them. It makes things so convenient. And I just like to use hot water and a little bit of pine salt to clean my floors. This is what I've used for many years, and it just really does a great job on wood floors. But if any of you have any cleaning tips that you would like to share with all of us, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now that my kitchen is nice and clean, I'm moving on to my family room, and I'm going to focus on my couches. I'm going to fluff the cushions and pillows and give them a good vacuuming on the outside and underneath. And I often get asked about how I keep my lighter colored couches clean. They are kind of like a taupey, beigey color, but I think the key factor in keeping them clean is vacuuming, number one. And number two, since I have dogs, I never let my dogs sit on the couches without a blanket. So whenever we're lounging on the couches and the dogs are with us, I always have a blanket over the couch. And I really think that, alongside with vacuuming the couches, is really key to keeping them clean and stain free. now to put the cushions back in place and give the pillows a good fluffing, which they desperately needed. And whenever we've lounged on the couch, the pillows always look a little frumpy after. So I love to constantly fluff them. It makes the couch look put together and just makes it look cleaner for some reason. So once I finish with this couch, I'm going to move on to the couch opposite, and then I'll also vacuum my little side chair. And that'll be pretty much it for today's cleaning video. So I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for being here today. And let me know if you enjoyed this. Leave a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate you so very much. And if you're new, again, I hope you'll consider subscribing. But have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you all in my next one. Take care.